what's up with it? I'm Daezjon, but you might call me dumbass for trying what I'm about to try. So I got this a couple days ago from Mountain Dew. Checkout process actually went pretty smooth for me. Definitely better than, if you're in the sneakers app, because that shit can get out of line. So let me open this thing up and see what it's hitting for. Oh, got some paperwork in here. Here's to the bowl. It said, here's to the bold, because here in your hands lies the first ever spicy, citrusy, too wild not to like it, Mountain Dew Flamin' Hot. That's right. We built on the success of the world's favorite flaming hot snacks to create a dew that bites back. You're bold enough to buy it. Now it's time to try it. Mountain Dew. It's pretty dope. That's pretty cool, man. Open this thing up. That's how it looks inside of there. Got 6. I wasn't gonna be greedy and buy 2 6-packs, but got this one. And actually, they package this really well. None of them are damaged. So this is it right here. I mean, damn, like, who would have thought? Like, I mean, I don't eat many hot chips like I used to, because I'm getting older and my stomach can't take those kind of things like I used to. Definitely, this is something that when I was in high school, I'm pretty sure that people would be drinking this for breakfast like they do hot chips. Let me just crack this thing open. The smell, it definitely smells like Mountain Dew, for sure. Orange soda. Reminds me of Kenan and Kel. Trying to get this thing as cold as possible, man, because I don't know. I mean, shit, just look at this on the back. Like, look at that. What is that? Crazy. Am I crazy for trying this? Definitely am. All right, I'm back. So, let me see. Smells good. Oh, it smells like Mountain Dew. Oh, wow. Definitely, it definitely burns going down, that's for sure. To be honest, it just tastes like a flat Mountain Dew with the extra spice and kick going down. Like, I'm gonna finish this just because, like, I don't want to waste it. Like, I tried the ice cream. I'm gonna put that video up here. I tried the ice cream a couple weeks ago, and when I went into the, what was it, Cold Stone? No, Marble Slab. I was like, yeah, I want to try this Flamin' Hot Cheetos ice cream, and like the 3 girls behind the counter kind of gave me a weird look. So yeah, I mean, like I said, it just tastes like a flat Mountain Dew, with spice and kick. It's I thought it was gonna taste crazier, to be honest. It's all right. Would I buy it again? Nah, I wouldn't. I wouldn't buy it again. I mean, I really don't drink soda, to be honest with you. But yeah, this is the Flamin' Hot Mountain Dew review by yours truly. If you like this video, you know, go ahead and give me a thumbs up on it. And until next time, this is Daezjon with Daezjon Discovers.